Good morning, Possum Nation. This is the Possum here. This is Dover, Arkansas, and I woke up and it's okay. Woke up at 5 o'clock with a ring, and it's the school saying that there's no school due to the weather. And I woke up, and this is what I woke up to. Look at that, y'all. That is snow. That is flipping crazy. I'm like, what the heck? So, my nephew, that you've seen a couple of times, look at this. Holy crap. Look at it. It snowed. Oh my gosh. Oh man. There's my van. Yeah, I'm headed to work right now. This is crazy. Look at my van. Holy smokes. I hope I can get out. Holy smokes. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Look out to the road. Yeah, I hope I can get out. This is my driveway. I live out in the country. Holy smokes. Oh, look. Oh my gosh. Someone's already been through here. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my gosh. First snow of the year. January the 6th. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. This is flipping crazy. It's supposed to be snow flurries. I don't think this is snow flurries. Holy crap. Look here, y'all. This is behind my house. Holy crud. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It's snow everywhere. Snow. Oh man. Holy crap, y'all. Yeah. It's 18 degrees. I gotta start my van. So y'all just stay inside and get warm. And keep warm. 'Cause it's crazy out here in Dover, Arkansas. Man, this is the Possum.